Pushpa. This is the second part of pair of linear equations in two variables. In this part, we are going to learn about the algebraic methods for solving a pair of linear equations. In this video, we came to know that there are three methods to solve a pair of linear equations. The first method is substitution method and the second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Now we move to a substitution method. I will explain the substitution method by taking an example 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, x plus 2y equals to 3. These two are the two linear equations. I will name the first linear equation as 1 and the second linear equation as 2. In this method, what we will do means first we will consider one variable in terms of the another variable. So I will consider equation 2 because it is easy. The coefficients here for x is 1 and coefficient for y here is 2. So these two are simple compared to equation 1. So I will consider this equation and I will write a variable x in terms of y. That is x is equal to 3 minus 2y. How I write 3 minus 2y means if I take 2y here, it will become minus 2y. So I will name this equation as 3. So I will substitute this equation 3 in equation 1 because I get this x is equal to 3 minus 2y by taking an equation x plus 2y is equal to 3. So it is not possible to substitute this x value in equation 2. So I am considering this, I am taking this equation 3 and I will substitute this x value in the equation 1. So in place of this x, I will substitute this equation 3. So 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2 it is. See 7 3 is 21 minus 7 2 is 14y minus 15y is equal to 2 it is. 21 minus minus leads to addition. So minus 14y minus 15y equals to minus 29y is equal to 2. Minus 29y is equal to 2. If I take this 21 here, it will become minus 21. So minus 29y is equal to minus 19. This minus minus gets cancels. So 29y is equal to 19. Y is equal to, I want only y. So divide both sides by 29. I will get 29 get cancels. Y is equal to 19 by 29. This is a y value, right? So I will substitute this 4 in equation 3. In place of y, I am going to substitute 19 by 29. So it will becomes x is equal to 3 minus 2 times the 19 by 29. So x is equal to 3 minus 19 2 is 38 by 29. So here nothing is there means divided by 1. So LCM for 29 and 1 is 29. So I will take the LCM as 29. I will write this as 3 by 1 as it is into 29 and minus 38 by 29 as it is into 29. See, now it will become x is equal to 29 into 3. 29 into 3 equals to 9 3 is 27. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So it will becomes 87 minus this 29 gets cancels. It is 38 divided by 29. So 87 minus 38 is equal to 7 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. So x is equal to what? 49 by 29. This is how we are going to find x and y values. After finding this x and y values, we will substitute here means we have to get 2 value. That is 2 equals to 2. And again we will substitute x and y value in this equation. Then we will get 3 is equal to 3. Then only this equation satisfies. This is a substitution method. Now we move to the elimination method. This method also I will explain by taking an example 7x minus 15y equals to 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3. I will name this first linear equation as 1 and second linear equation as 2. In this elimination method, we are going to first eliminate one variable. To eliminate the variable, the coefficient should be same. So to make the coefficient same, what I will do means I will multiply equation 2 by 7. Then the coefficient of x will be same. Then I will get the equation as 7x plus 7 2 ja 14y is equal to 7 3 ja 21. And I will write the second equation as 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 as it is. See, here we are going to eliminate one variable. To eliminate this variable, the signs of these two are same. So what I will do means, I am going to subtract the equation 1 and 2. Why I will subtract means, here when I am going to subtract the equation, the signs of the equation will going to change. See, here plus is there, it will become minus, minus is there, it will become plus, and this plus becomes minus. See, now the plus 7x and minus 7x going to cancel. 14y and the 15y becomes 29y, and 21 minus 2 equals to 19. So now y value becomes 19 by 29. Now I got the y value. Similarly, consider any one equation in two equations. So I am going to consider this equation because it is an easy equation. So I will consider x plus 2 and I will substitute in place of y this value, that is 19 by 29 equals to 3. X plus 19 2 ja 38 by 29 is equal to 3 it is. So x is equal to 3 minus 38 divided by 29. For 1 and 29, LCM is 29 as I explained in the earlier problem. So it will become 3 by 1 into 29 minus 38 by 29 into 29. See, 29 into 3. 29 into 3. 9 3 ja 27, 2. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 is 8. So it will become 87 and this 29 gets cancels, that is minus 38 by 29. So x is equal to what? 87 minus 38 equals to 7 minus 8 is 9, 7 minus 3 is 4, that is 49 by 29 is the x value. This is how we are going to do the elimination method. Now let's move to the third method, that is cross multiplication method. In this cross multiplication method, I will explain by considering a general pair of linear equations. That is, you know that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, that is an equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, that is an equation 2. To obtain the values of x and y, we have to follow the following steps. The first step is multiplying the equation 1 by b2 and equation 2 by b1. Why I took like this means, see here cross is nothing but into, right? So for this equation I am going to multiply by 2 by b2, and for this equation I am going to multiply by b1. That's only I took here. Then it will becomes, when I multiply the equation 1 by b2 means it will becomes b2a1x, b2b1y, b2c1 equals to 0. Similarly, when I multiply equation 2 by b1, then it will becomes b1a2x, b1b2y, b1c2 equals to 0. And the second step is subtracting the equation 4 from the equation 3. We will get means b2 minus b2a1 minus b1a2 into x, and b2b1 minus b1b2 of y, and b2c1 minus b1c2 equals to 0. To calculate the x value, I am going to consider these two terms. So b2a1 minus b1a2 of x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1. Why I took like this means, if I take this whole term into here means it will, my plus sign changes to minus sign. To cancel that minus sign, what we will do is we have to take minus common here. When we took minus common here, it will becomes b1c2. The negative sign becomes positive and the positive sign will becomes negative. That is b2c1. That's why I took like this. So x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 by b2a1 minus a2b1. So provided this should not be equals to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we will get indefinite value. Now step 3. Substituting this value of x in 1 or 2. In equation 1 or 2, we have to substitute this x value. Then we will get the. Now example for the third method is for cross multiplication method. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. This is an equation 1, and x plus 2y equals to 3 is an equation 2. Compare these two equations with a general pair of linear equations. That is, general formula is what? That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus C2 equals to 0. Here in place of A1, 7 is there. So A1 is what? 7. In place of B1, minus 15 is there. So B1 is minus 15. In place of C1, if I take this one here means it will becomes minus 2. So that is minus 2. And in place of A2, 1 is there. So A2 is 1. In place of B2, 2 is there, so B2 is 2, and in place of C2, if I take this 3 here, it will become minus 3. So we know the formula, right? That formula is x is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1, B1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So, in place of B1, minus 15 is there. In place of C2, minus 3 is there. Minus, in place of B2, 2 is there. In place of C1, minus 2 is there. Whole divided by, in place of A1, 7. In place of B2, 2. Minus, in place of A2, 1. In place of B1, minus 15. So, x is equal to minus into minus will become plus 15 3 ja 45, minus into minus will again becomes plus, so 2 2 ja it is 4, 7 2 ja 14, minus of minus again it will become plus, 15 1 ja 15. So now it will become 45 plus 4 is 49 divided by 14 plus 15 is 29. So x value is 49 by 29. So again we have one more formula to calculate y. That formula is C1A2 minus C2A1. C1A2 minus C2A1 whole divided by A1B2 minus A2B1. Now substitute C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2 here. That C1 is minus 2 and A2 is 1 minus C2 is minus 3 and A1 is 7 whole divided by A1 is 7, B2 is 2 minus A2 is 1 and B1 is minus 15. So y is equal to minus into plus it will become minus, 2 1 ja 2, minus into minus it will become plus, 3 7 ja 21, 7 2 ja 14, minus of minus plus 15. That is 21 minus 2 is 19 by 29. This is how we are going to find the cross multiplication method. If you like this video and to get the more information, please subscribe to our channel.